Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Hoirunisa and my ID number is 09. I am from FNCC class. I made this video to fulfill my final semester exam assessment, which was taught by Mrs. Novi Diana Badurtamami. In this video, I will explain about one of the cigarettes companies in my area. Now, for the subject itself consists of 6 topics, namely the profile of company, production management, marketing management, contribution given by the company, impact on the environment, and the last is corporate social responsibility or CSR. Okay, let's just watch the video. The first is about company profile. Cigarette Company Ayunda is one of the companies located in the Pamekasan area, which is engaged in the production and trading of cigarette. This company is located in Jarin Village, Padamau District, Pamekasan Regency, which was established in 2017. This company is one of Mr. Bambang's companies, which has approximately 170 employees consisting of the 3 security, 17 supervisors, 14 women in the production department using tools manual, and 15 men in the production section use machine, and about 100 people in the packing. This company usually operate about 8 hours a day with a shift system. However, on Sunday, the company is closed and the employees have time to rest and gather with their families. Usually, this company carry out production activities using modern technology such as cigarette making machine, so that their production activities are more efficient. The second is production management. In carry out the production process, this company supplies tobacco from several areas in Madura, especially in Pamekasan. In supplying tobacco, Cigarette Company Ayunda sought high quality tobacco to produce quality cigarette. This company directly contacts the farmers to provide cheaper price and flexibility in selecting and sorting tobacco. Tobacco that has been purchased from farmers is then cut into small and thin shapes to facilitate the drying process. After all the tobacco leaves are cut, then they are dried until 2 tobacco leaves are completely dry. Then the tobacco is mixed with cloves and sauce and then blended into 1 cigarette butt. The finished cigarette butts are then packaged and sealed to increase product safety during distribution activities. After that, the finished and packaged cigarettes are distributed directly to consumers. This company distributed cigarettes in Pamekasan and Java. To streamline product activities, Cigarette Company Ayunda really pays attention to the inputs used so that the maximum output is obtained. Next is about marketing management. After carry out the product activities, then the Ayunda Cigarette Company immediately carry out marketing activities for its products. The result of these products are marketed in various regions and sold in the Pamekasan area. However, most of products are marketed outside the island or the Java region. Most of its products are marketed directly to consumers outside Java. Cigarette shipments are sent directly using land transportation such as cars, making it easier for consumers to carry out production purchase process. For product promotion activities, the company conducts promotional activities directly to consumers who are close to the company's location. While the price of cigarette is in accordance with the price set by the company and in accordance with the agreement with consumers with payment method, then the be made directly and by transfer for consumers who are far away from the company's location. Okay, the fourth is about contribution given by the company, which the existence of the cigarette company Ayunda, their social and economic impacts. One of the social impact of the existence of this company is that the unemployment rate of the surrounding community will decrease because the company will currently recruit employers, or it can be said that with the existence of company, jobs will be created that can help the community. Thus, the economy of the community will increase. The next discussion is about impact on the environment. The environmental impact of this company has both positive and negative impact. One of the positive impact of this company is the creation of jobs so that the economy of the company around the company will increase. This can happen because the company will curtain open job vacancies. Meanwhile, the negative impacts caused during production activities are the decrease in air quality, the emergence of noise, the emergence of odors caused by mixing activities, the production materials, as well the decreasing the quality of water around the factory. The impact caused by the activities of this cigarette company has a great influence on the environment around the factory. In addition to the impact already mentioned, there are many other impacts caused by cigarette production activities. However, the impact is not only detrimental to the community, but there are also impacts that provide benefits to the surrounding community. Some of the beneficial impact of the activities of cigarette companies on the environment are the existence of job opportunities where usually residents only get income for their agricultural product. However, with this company, it can increase the income the resident, especially housewives, because most of the employees who work of the company are housewife. With the impact of this activity, it is necessary to have environmental management so that the impacts, especially the negative impacts of the existence of the company, do not harm the community. Okay, and the last discussion is about CSR. This cigarette company Ayunda, owned by Mr. Bambang, has an activities participation in the environment around the company. This is of course in accordance with the notion of CSR, which is a form of corporate social responsibility towards the surrounding environment. Usually, one form of responsibility carried by the leadership of this company includes routine assistance activities at certain times, such as assistance to underprivileged communities and assistance to orphans, which is carried once a year before the Eid al-Fitr. In addition, the company also provides leave on Sundays to employees so that the employees do not work full time for 1 week. And another form of responsibility, namely the existence of work safety guarantees for each of its employees. Okay, maybe that's all I can say about the cigarette companies in my area. More or less, I apologize. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.